Digital, simple, free. That is how I describe the first digital bank in Brazil, o Banco Inter. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Paul. In this video, I will share how to open a bank account at the comfort of your home. Here in Brazil, there's a bunch of options you can choose from. But today, let me show you the Banco Inter free digital account. When I say free, it means no maintaining balance, no fees for ATM withdrawals, no charges for bank transfers, neither monthly charges nor annual fees. It provides complete bank services, from opening your bank account, to paying your bills, to online shopping, to receiving and sending funds through wire transfers, even to reloading your prepaid for your mobile devices at the palm of your hands. Thus, 100% digital. The best advantage of it is being safe while staying at home, doing everything using your mobile device. With the onset of the pandemic, wouldn't it be convenient and practical to complete your bank transactions digitally? Here are the steps to open your bank account. Install the app. Download the application Banco Inter. Abra uma conta gratuita. Type your CPF number. Click Continue. Type your full name, gender, birth date, civil status, mother's name, and your father's name. Take a photo of your ID. You have to choose what type of document or identification you are going to present. RG or Registro Geral for Brazilian or naturalized foreigners, or RNE or RNM, CNH or CNH, or the driver's license, Carteira Nacional de Habilitação. So you have to take a photo of the front and the back of your driver's license. Retake the photo, or if the photo is good, then you click Ficou Boa. Take a picture of your signatures. You have to sign 5 times on a blank sheet of paper. Then, you have to take a picture of your signatures. Take a selfie. Hora da selfie. Acessórios não são permitidos. You can't have any accessory. Centralize seu rosto. Óculos não são permitidos. You cannot wear eyeglasses. Click selfie. And click Ficou Boa. Fill in your personal data. Type your complete address. Seu endereço residencial completo. CEP is your postal code. Tipo, if it's rua or avenida. Número is the number of the house. Complemento is the kind of the building. Bairro is the town. Estado is the state. Cidade is the city. Dados profissionais, or your professional data. Escolaridade is your educational attainment. Choose your profession or job. The empresa, name of the company you're working for. Renda mensal, or your monthly salary or earning. Valor do patrimônio, bracket of your assets. Entrega do cartão, where do you want your card to be sent? And I will choose the type of card. So I choose Gold Padrão. Abertura de conta, so you can choose from these choices if it's for conta digital or movimentação, so I can use it for online banking, then I choose the first one, conta digital or movimentação. Accept the terms and conditions. This is the term and conditions. So say you want to read or visualizar proposta. After reading it and you agree to the terms, then click li e concordo and agree to the terms and conditions. Aceitar. Tudo certo. Já recebemos seus documentos e estamos analisando sua solicitação. So they already received the application for opening of a bank account. What we have to do now is to wait for the email of confirmation if we are approved or not, and wait for the approval. So after completing the process of application by 4:56 p.m., we have received the result of our application by 7:10 p.m. of the same day. So it's about 2 hours. So the email says, "Parabéns, John. Congratulations, John." John, that's me. A abertura da sua conta digital Banco Inter foi aprovada. So our application was approved. Congratulations! Agora você não vai mais ao banco, um banco inteirinho é que vai com você na palma da sua mão. E o melhor de tudo, sua conta é totalmente gratuita. So it's completely for free. So in this email, it tells us the number of the bank, which is 077, which refers to Banco Inter, the agencia, or the branch number, and the conta, or the account number. Save time and money and go digital. No lines, no bureaucracy, and no fees.